from Clay County Conservation Board. I am your naturalist. Today we are going to explore about adaptations. And when I say adaptations, adaptations are parts of animal bodies that have to adapt or change to suit the needs of each animal. So suit the needs of each animal. Like we had to adapt our lifestyle to protect us. So that's why we are not going to school right now, to protect us. Now the animals, they have to change to protect, they have to change their body to protect them. So a long nose, like a soft shell spiny turtle, a soft shell spiny turtle. So here's the soft shell spiny turtle. They have a long nose for them to make it easier for them to get critters on the bottom of the lake. So their long nose helps them get critters and get insects and crayfish and worms on the bottom of the lake. And an animal that has really big eyes on the side of their head is a frog. Frogs, they have big eyes on the side of their head so they can look for predators. Because if they were not able to look for predators, it would be an easy target to get eaten by predators. So that is two adaptations of commonly that animals have. Now, an adaptation that we are going to talk about is web feet. So I want you to think of an animal that has web feet. If you said a frog, a beaver, a river otter, or some kind of bird that is in the water, that is all correct. Now, an animal that has web feet can be a bird like a duck or a goose. And I have the web foot of a goose here. And the goose foot has, what makes them web feet is their skin is attached to their foot. So like our hand, show me your hand. Like our hand, there's no skin attached to our hand. Now the web foot, I'll show you closer. The web foot has skin attached to each toe. So here is a toe, and then skin, and then a toe, and then skin. Now that makes a web foot. And the reason why they have web feet is to move faster in the water. And most of the animals that are actually all the animals that have web feet are aquatic. That means they live in the water. Okay? So here is an animal that has with their web foot, and this is a beaver. Beavers have web feet because they move in the water. They are aquatic. So you can see their web foot apart, and you can also see their fur. Now their fur is an adaptation as well. It helps them not get so cold when they are in the water too. So that is another animal that has an adaptation of web feet. Now a great blue heron has a special kind of web foot. Great blue herons, they have pads that are webbed that help them move in the mud. So if you slop down and you had kind of like inner tubes on your hands, you wouldn't be moving down in the mud so much. Now great blue herons, they have parts of web foot on each, or web sections on each foot. So when they go down into the mud, they don't completely sink. It kind of makes them afloat. Okay, so our web feet is kind of like of our flippers. So if we wear flippers in the in the water, we're most likely want to move really fast. Okay, so I have an experiment here, and you can try this. You can use a paper plate, or if you have a flipper at home. Okay, so I'm going to use my hand, and I'm going to see, what do you think? Move slow, move fairly slow, because my hand is separated, right? The water is moving fairly slow. Now, if I have a flipper, will I move fast or slow? So thumbs up if you think my hand will move fast. Thumbs down if you think it will move slow. So thumbs up if you think the flipper will move fast. Thumbs down if you think the flipper will move slow. So we'll see how much water it will churn. Ready? Here we go. See how fast the water is churning. It is moving really, really fast because I am acting like web feet. So the flipper has, well, skin, but this is plastic, and it has plastic parts, so it's not separated like my hands. So another animal that has web feet is a frog. Now I have a frog here, and it is a bullfrog. It is alive, and I want to show you the web feet. So bullfrog, it is alive, like I said. Here's the web feet. You can really see the web feet. Bullfrogs, frogs, they have a lot of adaptations to help them survive. So their web feet helps them, and they just have web feet on the back of their feet, and that helps them swim really fast. If you ever tried to catch a frog, they are moving a lot faster than you are because of their web feet. And their other adaptation is the back of their, is their eyes. They are on the side so they can see movement all around them. You can really see their eyes, and they're pretty cool as well. And another adaptation is they have big, powerful legs, so they're really, some paper here. They have really big, powerful legs, so they can jump really far away as well. So my mission to you guys is to find your favorite animal. What is your favorite animal? And figure out their adaptations, okay? So I'll tell you kind of mine. My favorite animal is a river otter. A river otter's adaptation that I can think on top of my head is their web feet, okay? And they move really fast as well. So what is your favorite animal, and what is their adaptation? And I hope you guys have a good rest of the day. See you later.